Hello, my name is Dmitry Vilbaum. Welcome to Primepick. We are a food tech company that developed a cool food service solution. Primepick has designed and manufactures a fully automated hot meal kiosk. A customer can order a delicious meal directly at the machine or pre-order in-app. We call it MealMate. MealMate is feature-packed, but its two most important aspects are utmost customer convenience and two, delicious hot meals dispensed in 5 minutes 24/7. And without further ado, here it is. This is our MealMate, a fully integrated hot meal preparation solution. The ordering screen is to my right, as well, of course, is the point of sale, and the pickup screen is to my left, as well as the two dispensers, which will dispense the meal of your choice after 5 minutes from ordering. So let's eat, but first, let us have Sam here order one of his favorites. Sam, maybe I'll have some food too.
Hello everyone, my name is Sam, and I'm hungry, so let's order a meal. So right here, there's gonna be two of my favorite meals. The first one's gonna be coffee crusted skirt steak. As you can see over here, it has a description of everything that's in the meal, as well as all the nutritional facts. So, let's go back to my other meal, which is gonna be the lasagna bolognese. Very simple. I'm going to click add. I'm going to add it to my cart. I'm going to place the order in the bottom right. I'm going to click on the bottom right. And it's going to say it's going to be ready within 5 minutes. Very simple. After that, one more tap, place the order. It asks me to pay. We take all digital payments as well as credit cards, so I'm going to use my Apple Pay. Once I tap it, as it's processing, it's going to just give me to a checkout page where now I just wait for my order. That's a QR code, and bon appetit, everyone. I just got a notification. My order is ready. All you gotta do is scan the QR code or input a PIN. So I'm gonna open up my phone, click the notification, and here is my QR code. Here's my order number. I'm gonna click pick up order, and now we wait for the food. Whew, it's a little hot. Grab it right here. Here's our order, and now we're ready. I just got this lasagna from the MealMate. This is our tray. I'm gonna transfer the food from the tray onto the plate and eat this real, made in Italy lasagna bolognese style. Of course, if you're on the go, feel free to eat right from the tray. Each meal comes with disposable utensils. Let's dig in. Wow, the sauce is wonderful. The pasta is al dente as it should be. I'm super satisfied. We are Primepick.